Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between liquidity ratio and solvency ratio. Both ratios are important financial tools used to evaluate a company's financial health, but they focus on different aspects of a business. Liquidity ratios measure a company's ability to meet short-term obligations, while solvency ratios assess its ability to meet long-term obligations. Let us explore the major differences between these two concepts. Number 1. Liquidity ratio measures a company's ability to meet short-term obligations within 1 year, whereas solvency ratio measures a company's ability to meet long-term obligations extending beyond 1 year. Number 2. Liquidity ratio focuses on short-term financial health, whereas solvency ratio focuses on long-term financial stability and survival. Number 3. Liquidity ratio is concerned with current assets and current liabilities, whereas solvency ratio considers total assets, total liabilities, and shareholders' equity. Number 4. Liquidity ratio shows the immediate liquidity position of a company, whereas solvency ratio shows the long-term solvency position. Number 5. Liquidity ratio indicates whether a company can pay its bills as they become due, whereas solvency ratio indicates whether a company can sustain its obligations over many years. Number 6. Liquidity ratio is more important for short-term creditors and suppliers, whereas solvency ratio is more important for long-term creditors, investors, and financial analysts. Number 7. Examples of liquidity ratios include current ratio, quick ratio, and cash ratio, whereas examples of solvency ratios include debt-to-equity ratio, interest coverage ratio, and debt ratio. Number 8. Liquidity ratio is calculated using current assets and current liabilities, whereas solvency ratio is calculated using total assets, liabilities, equity, and earnings. Number 9. Liquidity ratio helps assess day-to-day operational efficiency, whereas solvency ratio helps assess overall financial structure and long-term stability. Number 10. A high liquidity ratio indicates a strong short-term financial position, whereas a high solvency ratio indicates strong long-term financial stability. Number 11. Excessively high liquidity may indicate idle cash or inefficient use of assets, whereas poor solvency may indicate high financial risk and excessive debt burden. Number 12. Liquidity ratios can change frequently due to short-term business transactions, whereas solvency ratios are relatively stable and change over a longer period. Number 13. Liquidity ratios are primarily derived from the current section of the balance sheet, whereas solvency ratios are derived from both the balance sheet and income statement. Number 14. Liquidity ratios are important for avoiding short-term defaults, whereas solvency ratios are important for ensuring long-term growth and survival. Number 15. Liquidity ratio answers the question, can the company pay its short-term dues? Whereas solvency ratio answers the question, can the company meet its long-term obligations? To summarize, liquidity ratios focus on short-term financial safety, while solvency ratios focus on long-term financial security. A financially healthy company should maintain both strong liquidity and strong solvency to ensure sustainable growth and business success. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.